Momo the monkey. Welcome to our forest. Today you're going to meet some of my animal friends. Are you ready? Yay, let's go! First, meet Ellie the elephant.
Hello, everyone. I'm Ellie. I love splashing in water and eating yummy leaves.
Next, here's Faye the fox.
Hi, friends! I'm Faye. I love running fast and exploring the forest.
Now, say hello to Leela the lion.
Hi everyone, I'm Lila. I love playing in the sun and roaring loudly.
And finally, meet Oliver the owl.
Hello, friends. I'm Oliver. I love watching the stars and hooting at night.
Wow, now we are all together. I'm so happy you met my friends today. Next time, I'll introduce even more animal friends from the forest. Can you guess who they might be? Bye-bye for now, friends. See you soon. Hey guys, did you like our video? Subscribe for more.